so much for tuning in. This is attorney Matt Wayman here today to chat with you about the statute of limitations on criminal cases in the state of Missouri. There's certain time periods where the state has to commence a criminal case against a defendant, or their prosecution of that case will be barred. Generally, for felony cases, the statute of limitations is 3 years. For misdemeanors, it is 1 year, and for infractions, it's 6 months. The statute begins to run the day after the event occurs. There is situations where the statute of limitations does not run, like after a criminal case is filed against a person. So say the statute of limitations is 3 years for a felony. If the state files charges after a year, and that case is litigated for 3 years before it's dismissed on the night of trial, the state still has 2 years to file charges against that person because it only ran for 1 year before they filed that case. Then it's told for the 3 years that the case is being litigated. So they still have 2 additional years after the case was dismissed to refile charges on that case. Other situations where the statute of limitations does not run: when the person is absent from the state, when the person is evading police, when the person is found not mentally competent to proceed, and also after a DNA profile has been developed in a lab until the time they can match that DNA profile to an actual person. Under all those circumstances, the statute of limitations does not run. There's also a certain subsection of crimes where the statute of limitations is life, like murder, rape, forcible rape, or any other Class A felony. Prosecution can be commenced at any time. If you got any other questions about statute of limitations, please feel free to comment down below or reach out to us directly. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. We're going to be back soon with more videos. Thanks.